Upon her return, senators fully expect Alice Go to come clean about how she and her group managed to slip out of the country. Her purported sister, Sheila Go, was repeatedly asked that at today's Senate hearing. May Ann Los Baños has that story.
Senator Risa Hontiveros questioned Sheila Go at length about how she and her supposed siblings Alice and Wesley fled the Philippines by water. Hontiveros remains unconvinced that the Gos were able to reach Malaysia only via 3 boats and endured days-long travel at that.
Sabi nyo, dumaan kayo sa dagat, papuntang Sabah. Pero marami actually nagdududa dyan kasi masyado daw magalaw yung dagat ngayong panahon ng habagat. Ang hirap paniwalaan actually na 3 kayo, nina Alice, bilyones ang pera ninyo, na? Pinaghahanap ng buong bansang Pilipinas, i-expose nyo ang sarili nyo sa ganyang delikadong biyahe sa dagat. Maaari mo bang i-describe sa amin yung itsura ng Siemben na yan?
Siyata yun. Palang beach na may buhangin. May tao pero hindi kaano.
May kaunting...
Palang turista ata yung tao na yun.
The stamp date on Sheila's passport showed that it was July 18 when she entered Malaysia via Kuala Lumpur, and that she was there even before proceeding to Sabah. Sheila had this explanation.
Kasi pagdating kami sa Siemben na, may ano pa, biyahe pa kami. Biyahe kami, tapos dalating sa isang lugar, Malaysia na yan. Nakainan alaw kasi kami doon.
Senator Hontiveros also revealed that the Sabah stamp on Sheila's passport was fake and didn't match what a genuine stamp would look like. Hontiveros also said the KL stamp on July 18 was credible. This cast into doubt the real entry point of the Gos and Cassandra Ong. For senators, Sheila's account of the Gos escape route is either incomplete or she is plain lying.
Chair, I'm just so disappointed, Madam Chair, na ayaw pa rin magsabi ng katotohanan ni Miss Alice, bagamat Miss Sheila, owe it to yourself na magsabi ng katotohanan. Hindi ka makakalabas ng Pilipinas ng ganun lang. Hindi ka makakawala sa mga otoridad sa Pilipinas ng ganun lang. Nasasabihin mong wala kang alam o walang tumutulong sa'yo.
For hours, senators tried to appeal to Sheila, later on warning that she could be jailed if she does not tell the truth. AMLAC has already filed 87 counts of money laundering charges against the female Gos, with each count punishable by 7 to 14 years of imprisonment if found guilty.
Yung sinabi ng AMLAC na posibleng i-sentensya sa inyo ay mula 609 years hanggang 1,218 years. Lampas-lampas sa lifetime ng isang tao. So isipin yung mabuti kung worth it na patuloy na hindi magsabi ng totoo.
But Sheila stood by her story. She had previously told the committee that from their farm in Bamban, Tarlac, a van picked them up. Then they traveled for around 5 hours before arriving at a port where they boarded a boat. She said they later transferred to 2 more boats before arriving in a place called Siemben na. At today's hearing, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, reported checking passenger manifests of all outbound flights from May this year. None showed the names of Alice, Sheila, and Wesley Go. CAAP admitted it has no way of knowing if names declared in flight plans are fake. By the time the list reaches CAAP, it is assumed that the PNP, Customs and Immigration Bureaus plus Quarantine or CIQ have already checked it. For News 5, May Ann Los Baños, we are One News.